Today we're working with the Red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. We're doing 8.2 today, and we are doing perimeter. And for sixth graders, I have always taught for perimeter, it's P equals add the sides. So just add the sides. Get these parentheses out of here. So P equals add the sides. Problems we're doing 3, 4, and 5. For number 3, we know this is 4, we know this is 7, we know this up on top is 7, and then we simply, if we add up all the sides, we'll get our answers. So we have 7 and 7 is 14, plus 4, plus 5 and 3 is 8, and that is 26. So for number 3, this would be 26, and it would just be 26 meters for the perimeter. And again, all I really did was just simply add the sides. For number 4, it's a little bit more challenging because we have the circle on each side. We have a half circle on each side. But we want to make sure if this is 8, then we know the top is 8, and 8 and 8 is 16. So we know we have 16. Then we just basically want to find the perimeter of a circle that has a diameter of 5. So we're just going to take 5 times 3.14. So 5 times 3.14 is 15.7, and 15.7 plus 16 would be 31.7, and that is just going to be inches. So we've got the distance all the way around the outside. And remember, we did not count this or this. We only wanted the distance around the outside. And for the last one, we have, looks like a pool. Again, we have to use some skills here to figure out what we need to do. If we know this is 40 and we know this is 12, then we know this distance here is 28. And if we know this distance here is 28 and we know this distance is 12, we know this distance here would be 16. And these are all feet, and then we're simply just going to add up everything around the outside. Again, perimeter, P equals add the sides. And once we have all the sides accounted for and we know what their measurements are, we just simply add up all the sides. So 40 plus 28 plus 12 plus 12 plus 28 plus 16 gives us 136, and that would be feet. So on 8.2, dealing with perimeter, there's your formula. Perimeter, P equals add the sides. Make sure you are adding the sides.